Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to view your dividend history on Interactive Brokers. First, open the Interactive Brokers platform, then navigate to Performance and Reports, and click on Statements. Within Statements, select an activity statement. This will include your dividend information. Next, click Run and choose your desired period, date range, and language. You can view the statement as a PDF, HTML, or CSV, either downloading it or opening it to view. Once your statement loads, look under the dividend column to see all the dividends you've received for the selected period. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your dividends on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.